Bonjour.
Hi guys, we are Ativa 2017 with a friend from Silverback.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Tell us something about Silverback Airsoft.
So Silverback Airsoft is a Hong Kong-based company in 2008. Initially, we was producing accessories, electric stuff, grip, laser grip, this kind of product. We started to produce our first AEG in 2012. It was a PP19 Bison. It was the first PP19 Bison on the market. And in 2015, we had a license agreement with Desertec. And the first product we released from this brand is SRS from Desertec. So it's a spring-powered bolt action. The mechanism, I will show you directly like that. Working like that. This gun out of the box has a power of 1.9 joule, but you can reach much more higher power depending the spring you will use, of course. This gun is really realistic. The receiver is the main piece of aluminum CNC.
So,
Plastic body is polymer, fiber nylon with fiberglass. The bolt system is full steel, fully reinforced, so no need to upgrade any part. As you can see, the gun is well balanced. This is quite interesting. I will grab a few tools. This system currently is...
this is all the tool you need to disassemble the gun.
No, to disassemble the barrel. I will show you. So, first about the bolt. This one you compress when you pull back.
Okay.
But we have a second system. The second system...
And I must tell to viewers, it's very easy to pull the cocking lever with this spring. It's 2 joules.
2 joules, a little less, 1.9.
And it's according to other models which I tried, this is easy.
You will try this one. So this system now is not push, it's not pull, it's push. You compress like that. Want to try it? Put your thumb like that when you push.
Like this.
This one is 1.7 joule, this configuration. So this system is better for country with a lower power, but at the same time we want a gun very quiet, because this bolt system is really, really quiet. With our silencer, you can make a gun really deadly silent.
So like the real gun.
Much more quiet than the real gun. If you know the MK23 from Tokyo Marine, it's quieter than the MK23 from Tokyo Marine. The hop-up rubber is AEG, but the chamber itself is a specific one for us.
Then the people can use ordinary AEG precise barrels.
Hop-up is here.
Okay.
We have a dual hop-up adjustment, so you need to use 2 small tools to adjust the hop-up from here or from here. So like that
it's
you can...
similar like old Sistema PTV with a little tool.
Yeah.
But
we also have a hop-up you adjust by turning a ring here.
Like ordinary AEG.
Yes. But you cannot adjust right-left. Depend what you want. We have 2 systems. So we have 2 systems for the bolt and we have 2 systems
You
for the
can
hop-up.
adjust the hop-up when one system or the other. You can adjust up and down on left and right, depending on the system.
On this one you can adjust up, down, right, left. On this one just up, down. On the with the one with the ring. So to change the bolt,
It's very cool.
and as you can see behind,
Pobliže mi čovjek. That's the different styles for that rifle. We can put longer, we can put shorter.
16 inch is 420 millimeter. This one
This
is
is carbon.
carbon. This one is the AK size, 455 millimeter.
Yes.
This one is the 18th for 470 millimeter. This one is 590 in carbon, 590 heavy. And try the difference between this and this.
This is for my car, and this is for airsoft.
This one, in fact, in our, except for the carbon, all our outer barrels are full. And as you can see,
It's very easy.
There is no barrel spacer, it's full.
Back in the days, I played paintball, and we had barrels like this on paintball. This is the first time I see it on airsoft gun.
This, so 590.
And tell us what is the price for this particular gun?
This one, the
This.
22-inch version,
Yes.
it's 490 USD MSRP Hong Kong. The shorter one is 450 USD, and the long one is 520 USD.
And if I understand good, we can in this short version we can put longer barrel
Of course. Yeah.
with no problem. Only different is
Let's do it in few
my
seconds.
brain stopped. My brain freezed now. Difference in longevity. I don't know if that word exists.
I remove this one,
And put the longer one.
and let's do this.
Das kriegt wahrscheinlich der Teamleiter und sein Partner als Generalvertrieb, die Original.
That is the longest setup.
No, it's the middle one.
26 inches is the longest one. Yes.
80 cm lang.
Voilà. As you can see,
It's very good.
the system to assemble the barrel is exactly the same as the real one. So that means as sturdy as the real one.
It's very,
And as you look at the balance.
and it will always stay the balanced whatever we.
The 26-inch
Ah.
version will be a little bit more heavy on the front.
But it's nice, nice,
Also, when you got a big scope on it, usually the front will be a little bit more heavy.
nice. And tell us something very short about this thing.
This is an interesting point. So this is our next project, still a Desertec licensed product. It's an MDR, it's a micro dynamic rifle.
Yes.
The real one is a quick caliber change like the SRS, except it's a semi-automatic and full automatic gun. The real one will be 7.62, 5.56 and other caliber between both. Our airsoft version will use SR25 magazine for the 7.62 and
Okay.
M4 magazine, standard AG every time.
5.56.
Oh, 5.56, exactly. And there is two different lengths. This is a short one. The short one is roughly the size of a P90, and the long one is just 10 or 15 centimeters longer. I don't remember. Will be sandbar.
You told me that this particular gun doesn't have standard gearbox.
No,
Not version 2, not version 3,
No,
not
no.
version 6,
It's
7.
our own gearbox.
Its own design.
but the internal parts are mostly compatible with standard parts. The gears, for example, it will be standard gears. So
And which kind of motor it uses?
short,
Short one.
Short one. Yeah, short one. In fact, we have to design our own gearbox because we respect totally the design, the original design of the real one, and to fit the gearbox inside, no choice.
And the feature, for example, quick spring exchange.
Obviously, yes, quick change
Because
spring,
now it's a standard.
it's standard, no choice.
Battery compartment,
Battery compartment, it's a per receiver, MOSFET,
everything.
everything. It will be fully upgrade out of the box.
Is it possible to put burst for fire mode and other on the MOSFET, or it's
The real rifle is shooting only in single shot and full automatic. So our version will shoot only in single shot and full automatic.
Yes.
But yes, it will be, maybe it will be possible to adjust the.
me and my ideas?
As you can see, there is a gearbox inside.
In case if you wonder, this is 3D printer on the job.
If you want to handle it,
Yes.
this one is really compact. Some springs are missing. It's 90%, 80 to 90% close to the production, but it's not the production one.
It's nice.
This one we hope to release it in a perfect world within the end of the year, but I cannot promise anything because we are still in
And the
both-
price?
and the price will be quite expensive, like the SRS. It's a high quality product. Will be 400, 500 USD per round.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This was very nice too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye bye.
See you guys.